Okay, vlog, I've decided to turn it on this time. I've been recording for the last 10 minutes. It was turned off. So anyway, yeah, there were heaps and heaps of people when I passed through. But you can still see there's the people here. And the lights of the boats before they go out for their evening sojourn. And you're lucky you've missed out on this little kid who does dog impressions. He was really annoying. Anyway. Oh, this boaty boat's got a television screen. It's a nice boardwalk. And up the top there is Lokosi Castle, where they have singers and nice restaurants up there. Yeah, I didn't even notice it. Anyway, there's a little boat over there. Lots of ice cream places and restaurants and bars. All sorts of things. So what about that? I've got dirty papa, classic burger,
Chicken,
crispy chicken burger.
This chicken, just bacon and chicken.
Oh, what's that? Crispy chicken burger.
That's the classic. And the other one is chicken.
Miss chicken burger.
No, it's just chicken breast.
Okay, chicken breast from me, thank you. What are you having, Archie?
I'm having 2 scoops of lacto.
A who?
What is it you?
I didn't hear it.
Lacto.
A lacto. It
Which
sounds
is
like
vanilla with basically with an extra coat, with a coat of long.
Oh, okay. And you're having stracciatella thing. Is that how you say it? Stracciatella or something? Stracciatella. And you're having?
I'm having the lacto and the pure latte.
Ah, okay, cool. Oh, my baby. Do you miss your girls? Yeah, I know, he's just crying. As soon as you left, he was meowing at the door. Now he's waiting for you to come back. Well, g'day vlog. Today we have a rather big boat. Looked it up, it's registered in Malta and it's called the Lioness or the Lionheart or something. It's giant, it's such a big boat. It's bigger than the ferry. I wonder who owns it. It's at the, what is this place called? The grill, mixed grill.
Archie got the tagliatelle bolognese. Very generous with the meat. Make sure you eat all the meat. Got the Greek pizza, very tasty. Gave me some spicy oil and it's absolutely spicy, so it's nice. Nice atmosphere. Definitely one of the best restaurants I've had here. Fresh tasting, good quality food. So just having a nice coffee. Bree's got her eyelashes lifted, they look great. So yeah, very nice. Here we are at Pastoria. They have opened one in Saranda, and so it's the same one, Pastoria.al. We had Greek salad, it was nice big size. They gave us bread, and we all had ragu linguine, and it was 400 legs. So it's pretty similar to Tirana prices. So for Saranda, that's great value, and you can see the cooks in the kitchen.
We've got having plates of Carver's Corner. Yum, 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 yum.